Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's kitchen. Let's make a quick soup. Let's get this ready now. I'm using the pasta and sauce Alfredo to make chicken noodle soup. Bring your water to the boil and then you can add your pasta and sauce. You can even add milk at this stage, but I decided to add cream a little later. Mix consistently and then you can add some frozen mixed veg like I did. Reduce the temperature. I added cream, some shredded chicken and a sprinkle of cheese. Switch it off and then it'll start to thicken a bit. Look at this. So yummy. And Yavi, my dedicated taste tester, was waiting. Perfect. Yay! All done in a fraction of the time.
Good.